Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. So in this video we are in the kitchen today because I'm cooking up a protein treatment. Okay, so I haven't done a protein treatment on my channel yet, and they're quite frankly so easy, but I personally have neglected them for a while and haven't done them. But since my hair is color treated, which means it's naturally more brittle, more prone to damage, I really need to incorporate protein treatments regularly in my hair care regimen. So I treated my hair in late December, so basically I had my hair color treated for 3 months now. You never want to do protein treatments too often, but you also don't want to go too long without them. So I'm not typically like a DIY natural, but protein treatments can be made at home and they also can be store-bought. I'll link down below the store-bought protein treatment I like to buy. It's literally called like hair mayonnaise, and I think it's from ORS, and it's like such a big gallon, and since you don't do protein treatments all the time, it lasts for such a long time. I'm actually surprised that I don't have any more, but that's okay. Let me show you how easy this is. Okay, so we're gonna go over to the fridge here. I'm gonna grab some mayonnaise, some eggs. I think I'll use 2. And I'm gonna grab some coconut oil. You know what? Nix the coconut oil. You see how planned out this was. I just needed to do it, so I'm doing it. I'm gonna use some olive oil. All you need to do is get a bowl or something, and you see why I'm in the kitchen. Get a bowl and then get a whisk. Blend them all together, and you're gonna put that all over your hair. But first you want to make sure you wash your hair so your hair is nice and clean, for that protein to go straight to your hair strand instead of to everything else that you put on top of your strand. So I'll do that now. I'm gonna grab like a half a cup of mayo, crack these eggs. I put about 2 tablespoons of oil. So you want to get a towel or something because this is going to drip on you and it's going to be pretty nasty. It doesn't smell the best, but it is necessary. So like I said, you just want to apply it like you would a deep conditioner. So I'm just going to put it in about 4 or 5 sections. You know what I just thought of? It would be really nice to put this in an applicator bottle. Maybe not an applicator bottle because it's a little thick, but something. This is so DIY. No, this is how I do it with the store-bought one too. So you just want to get it coated in every hair strand in that section. I think that's pretty good. And then get that section and kind of just twist it. And like I said, this does get kind of messy, but it'll all go into a cap. After it's twisted, some has come out because I'm pulling the twist, and I just like to coat it a little bit more. And that's it. So I'll do that to my entire head and then put it under a plastic cap for about, I'm gonna do 20 minutes. I think you do like 20 to 40 minutes and you'll be good. Before I let you go, there's a couple things that you need to know before you do a a protein treatment. So before doing your protein treatment, remember, keep in mind, always know to not rinse it out on hot water. These are uncooked eggs, super farm to table ingredients. They will cook in your hair on hot water, and then getting that out is just not fun. It's not worth it. So first, rinse it out with cool water. I know cool water closes your cuticle up, but to just open it back up once all the egg is removed, then you can go back in and rinse it out with warm water, because of course this is just the beginning of your wash day. So, second tip, definitely deep condition. You definitely want to deep condition after every single wash day, but after doing a protein treatment is particularly vital, because remember, protein strengthens your hair, but you want to bring back that moisture into your hair using a deep conditioner. I myself today will be using the TJIN Honey Miracle Mask, and then I'll be actually using some of their buttercream. That's like a leave-in. You can use it daily to really keep that moisture in your hair. And so you want to remember to reinvigorate your hair strands with moisture after getting this treatment. Ladies and gentlemen, that is how you do a protein treatment at home. Again, you can buy these in the store. I'll link the one that I use down below, the hair mayonnaise. And again, you can get you a quick DIY in. This didn't take that long. All you need is eggs, mayo, a oil of your choice. Apply it to your hair in sections, covering every strand like you would a deep conditioner. And remember to follow up with a deep conditioner, and do not rinse it out on hot. All right, guys, I'll catch you in the next one.